Are you guys looking for a really nice, affordable townhouse community here in Henderson? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring the Boston floor plan by Richmond American. So don't go anywhere. You're going to want to see this video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you enjoy watching new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Overture at Cadence by Richmond American. Now, this is a townhouse community. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here in Cadence, Henderson. So we're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, it's a master plan community, a bunch of amenities. I will show that to you on the screen right now. Now, here at this townhouse community, they offer two floor plans, okay? So they offer the Boston and Chicago floor plans, very similar square feet, so like 1,500. Now, the base prices range from, well, they're actually the same, $369,950. Now, what they're doing over here, okay, they're doing all spec homes here. So normally when you see the base price, you could add like your upgrades, lot premiums and stuff like that. Here, they're picking out all the options. So they're adding about $30,000 to $39,000 worth of upgrades. Now, the spec homes are going to look just like the model homes when we tour it, okay? As far as the spec homes, the out-the-door price, if the base price is $369,950, they're gonna range from about high 300s to about like $390 to $410, okay? They have a couple of quick move-ins where they've done price reductions, so, reach out to me if you're interested. Now, as far as the HOA goes, the HOA is going to be $87.50 a month. Now, again, that's going to include all the amenities that Cadence has to offer. So it's walking trails, parks, splash pads, all of that. This is an extension of another Richmond American townhouse community that just sold out. So they built out over here and they're going to add about 115 units, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Boston floor plan. Now, the Boston floor plan is 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $369,950. Now, again, they are doing all spec homes here in this community, so you can't pick out your options and whatnot. Now, if the base price is $369,950, the out-the-door price you're looking at is going to be $400 to around $410. Although they do have a quick move-in right now. They did a price reduction. They have one available, $379,950. We'll go ahead and take a look. Now, the upgrades that you see in these model homes, it's going to be very similar to how the actual spec homes are going to look. Okay, so welcome in. The one thing I could say about Richmond American homes is every time I go into a model home, compared to other builders, you could definitely tell it seems like the quality is better for Richmond American homes. But then again, though, with other builders, you're getting more square foot per dollar. Richmond American, compared to like KB, DR Horton, you're going to get the least amount of square foot per dollar, but you definitely feel like the quality is better. All right, guys, so here's the floor plan. So we're going to have the cozy living room right here, dining room, kitchen. Okay, and then you have the upgraded slider right there. You also have 9-foot ceilings, so it feels very spacious in here. Now, your stairs is going to be towards the side. You'll have a powder room right here as well. Yeah, let's take a look at the kitchen. Right, so we got the nice upgraded white cabinets, countertop. Okay, built-in stovetop. Now, for their quick move-ins, for their spec homes, a lot of the spec homes are going to have the oven stovetop. Okay, maybe a few of them might have the built-in cooktop, but they'll also include all the appliances as well in their spec homes. Okay, so you're gonna have a nice side yard right here. So here we have your GE refrigerator. Okay, this is gonna be your coat closet. Your pantry. 42-inch cabinets. Door to your garage, which is the sales office. Okay, and then you're gonna have this side yard right here, which I will show you guys. Okay, so just in case you need somewhat of a yard if you have a pet. The way it's gonna work here is actually you're gonna get pavers. So just in here, you're gonna have pavers, right? Pavers are gonna be included, but then you're gonna have a dirt. It's gonna be a little dirt lot right here. So you could put rocks, you could put more pavers, or you can do turf. Okay. And then on the other side of this wall, you're gonna have like your neighbor's side yard as well. This is gonna be your coat closet right here. Nice, so you got this coat closet and it looks like you have some extra storage space. All right, very nice. So right here, you're gonna have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. You have a bunch of lights. Again, the spec homes, the builder agent did say that you could expect the spec homes to look like these model homes. Okay, so they are putting about 30 to 39,000 in upgrades. Now right here, you're gonna have your powder room. Okay, well, so we'll head up to the second floor. All right, look, very high ceilings. Okay, upgraded stair rails. So again, most likely all the spec homes are gonna have these upgraded stair rails. Okay, you're gonna have a bedroom right over here. And then, so you have like your little linen closet. You're gonna have a full bath, primary bedroom, and then other guest bedroom right here. So we'll start off right here. This is guest bedroom number 1. Okay, I would say this is probably this looks to me like an 11 by 12. Okay, nice window. That's very unique right here. Here, take a look at the view. Yeah, it's pretty gloomy today. As you see, they're gonna be building a whole bunch. Cadence is gonna be a work in progress for like the next few years. But yeah, again, Richmond American, when you go to Richmond American model homes compared to KB, DR Horton, and just some other builds, you can immediately tell the quality is, I don't know what it is. I can't really explain it. These are 6x7 doors as well. So this is the bath. You have your shower tub combo. Okay. Medicine cabinet. Most likely this is the quartz that they're gonna put for the bathrooms. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. Gotcha, so here, this is your stacked washer and dryer. Okay. Your guest bedroom too. This guest bedroom feels a little bit smaller. I would say this is probably 11 by 11 if I were to take a guess. Okay. Very unique window. That's cool. I like that a lot. So you got your standard closet right here. Now, if you are interested in a new build community such as this, do me a favor. My info is going to be in the description below. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or if you have a realtor, that's completely okay. At least let your realtor know you're interested in a new build community, so that way they go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you go to a new build community for your very first time and you don't have your agent and they collect your information like your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. And guys, it's super important that you have representation because the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builder. Okay, so realtors have that for you. So that means we look after your best interest, we negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable, make sure you get the best incentives, and the builders pay the agent fees. So it's a no-brainer. So we're here in the primary bedroom. Okay, looks like what I'm seeing is the just a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Yeah, the cool thing about these models is like the window placements. It's very definitely very unique. Kind of reminds me of like how TriPoint uses their windows. TriPoint does really well with their window placements and their window shapes. Okay, dual sinks, walk-in shower. And then your walk-in closet. And this is where you're gonna have space for your attic access, okay? That was it for the Boston floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions, especially with incentives, give me a call, shoot me a text, or if you're just looking for a realtor as well, someone who could walk you through the new build process, make sure you get the best deals. Give me a call, guys. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.